welcome back to my science channel. Today we're going to be experimenting with colors. These three colors are the primary colors. They can make three other colors. Secondary colors are the colors that like purple, orange, and green. Those are secondary colors. Secondary colors are the colors that primary colors make. And with these secondary colors, you cannot make the primary colors because the primary colors are just themselves. Now we're going to make a rainbow using these primary colors and these test tubes. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we're going to flip our test tubes over. And you'll need 6 of them. If you don't have test tubes, you can just use normal bottles if you want to do this experiment. So what we're going to have is 3 bottles full of water with dye or food coloring. So 3 bottles. And then we'll need a beaker full of water. Okay. And we're also going to use little droppers, but if you don't have these, you can just use other things that can put like a little amount of water in like a little spoon or a measuring cup or something. So first, we're going to fill our little dropper and just put 2 squirts full into each. Pretty good. Now let's squirt our rest into here. Now let's start opening our bottles. Okay, so we're starting with red. So squeeze it. If you're using droppers, use your dropper. If not, you can use spoons like you did with the water, but you might want to use smaller ones. Now we're just gonna put a squirt into there, and we're also gonna put a squirt of red into this one. But why are we putting it into 2? Well, our next color we're gonna be mixing. Now, let's put our red away. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to grab our yellow. Okay, let's get our yellow one full. Now let's squeeze yellow into this one. But then we're also going to squeeze some yellow and squeeze it into the red. And now, for the red one, we're just going to put the cap on and shake it up. Because we're mixing, we need to put the cap on and shake it up. Which I think we could use a little bit more yellow. Few more drops of yellow. Okay, looks like the yellow's good. Now, let's put the cap on and shake. Which color do you see? It's orange. Let's put orange where it is. Okay, now we're on to. Now we're not quite done with yellow yet. we're still gonna need to put some, well, we're not quite done with our yellow friend here. We need more yellow. So yellow's gonna go into that bottle. Now, we're all done with yellow. Now, we're gonna grab our blue. Okay, let's get our blue out. Okay. Now, let's put some drops of blue into there. Ooh, looks like we're getting a new color. Now, let's put blue in to make it itself. And we're also gonna need blue in this one. We'll need blue again in that one. Okay, let's put the blue back on because we've already done all the blues on here. Now, we're just gonna grab our red. Now we're gonna grab this one and put it on. Shake it up. Which color is this? It's green. Wow. Now we're gonna take this one and we're gonna open our red friend again. Well, why do we need red again? Well, our last color of the rainbow needs red to make it. Do you have any idea of what color that might be? Okay, let's close this red up and we're gonna put this one's cap on and shake. Which color do you see in here? Purple! We made a rainbow with test tubes. So when we mixed the primary colors together, we got a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Rainbows are cool, and so are you. Did you know that real rainbows happen when sunlight reaches into raindrops, and the raindrops split into all the colors of the rainbow?